Hey guys, welcome to Protein Treats by Nutracelle. I'm Melanie Wildman, and after my sleeve, I've lost over 100 pounds and I've managed to keep it off for almost 10 years now. How do I do it? By eating super yummy food like I'm gonna show you how to make today. Today we are making super delicious and really easy vanilla mug cake. These are super easy mug cakes to make. You can pop them in the microwave for about 60 to 90 seconds, and just like that in the evenings you have a delicious, yummy vanilla mug cake to get that sweet tooth under control. So I'm going to show you how easy this is to make. Let's get started. Okay, so the thing that makes us gain weight, of course, is sugar and simple carbohydrates. And yummy snacks and cakes at the end of the evening are the very worst, because when you have sugar and you have carbohydrates right before you go to bed, not only does it interrupt your sleep, which can also lead to more weight gain, but it also slows down your metabolism, so your body doesn't burn fat at night. In fact, it stores fat. So we want to be able to recreate a mug cake with lots of protein, lots of healthy fats, and lots of fiber. So that's why this mug cake is so easy to make. You're just gonna need a mug. You're gonna need a little bit of sweetener. I have some liquid stevia here that I'm using. Now you need 1/4 cup of milk. Now make sure you don't use regular cow's milk. 1 cup of regular cow's milk has an astonishing 13 grams of sugar in it. That's not what any of us want to see when we're trying to lose weight. Remember, sugar equals weight gain. So what you want is a 1/4 cup. Now I've used a little bit of full fat whipping cream and some water. You can use coconut water or coconut milk. You could use almond milk. You could even use soy milk, but make sure you're not using cow's milk with all of that sugar in it. I have 1/2 teaspoon here of baking powder. I also have 1 tablespoon of coconut flour, and remember, coconut flour is super dense, so you don't need very much of it. And then of course I have a whole egg, which is really good for you. And we're gonna start with our vanilla Nutracelle. Now vanilla tastes so good. Why? Because we use real vanilla, and that's why it smells so good and it tastes so good. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab a full scoop here. I've already pre-oiled my mug here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put some of my dry ingredients in. So I have my vanilla Nutracelle here. I'm gonna add in my coconut flour, and I'm gonna add in my baking powder. And then I'm just gonna, with a little fork here, I'm gonna give that a little bit of a mix. And then all I'm going to do is add in my milk. Now, as I mentioned, I'm using cream and water. I'm gonna crack my egg. Hopefully I don't get any eggshell in there. Just like that. And of course, I like mine to be a little bit sweet. I don't like it to be too sweet, so I'm just gonna put about 2 drops of my liquid stevia. And then using my fork, I'm gonna go ahead and mix that up. Okay, I'm gonna put this in the microwave for 60 seconds. If it needs a little bit more, I'll put 30 seconds in. So you're really gonna have to watch it because every microwave is a little bit different. Okay, so I've cooked my mug cake here for just under 90 seconds, about 80 seconds. Depending on your microwave, you'll have to change up the time a little bit, but it smells absolutely amazing. Now what I like to do is I make ahead some whipped cream, and I use just a little bit of stevia and some real vanilla. And so I've made a little bit of whipped cream. I'm gonna put that right on top of my mug cake here. And you can use like a fancy whipped cream thing, but I literally just use a sandwich bag. It's so much easier, especially if you're just looking for a little snack at night. And then I'm gonna put a couple of little sprinkles of cinnamon on top, and look at this. I have a super yummy vanilla mug cake. It took me no time to whip this together, and I can sit down with my book at the end of the night and relax with a really yummy, high protein, high fiber treat that's super good for me and gonna help me burn fat. All right, you guys, let's give this a taste. Look how good that looks. It's so fluffy and yummy looking, oh my goodness, and hot because it just came out of the microwave. This is so good. You won't even know that you're cheating. You're not cheating, you're having something super healthy. If you want to see more recipes like this, comment below, tell me how yours turned out and what you'd like me to make healthified for you for next week. And make sure you hit that bell so that every single week you get these yummy, delicious, easy fat burning recipes. All right, guys, I will see you back here next week. If you want to learn a little bit more about Nutracelle, hit Nutracelle.com and check us out. All right, guys, bye now.